So we're expecting, and the first thing that comes to my mind is my body's gonna expand. Stretch marks. Oh dear. And to be honest, I was really very worried. So what I'm going to be sharing with you today is a wide range of products. So let's start. To start things off, I will share with you according to the timing of when I first purchased all the way until the very last purchase of these different oils and cream. This video is made possible by me, myself, and I, because I bought these products myself. Hashtag not sponsored, but if you want to sponsor, more than happy to take it. So the first one that I bought, bio oil. It's really a very famous household brand name that you can get it everywhere, like Guardian, Watsons. Of course, I got this from Shopee. So they come in different sizes. The reason why I actually decided to go for the 60 ml one was because I wasn't really sure if it was going to be a pregnancy that would survive. I also wanted to keep my options open to see what are the other oils or even creams that were available in the market. I think the reason why it's so famous in the market is because it is known to not just help stretch marks, but also scars. But you can't eliminate stretch marks or even scars that are already there. It probably only helps to reduce the scars. What I like about this is that it's easily accessible. The price point is very affordable. What I don't really like about this is that it gives off a baby smell. Like I mentioned earlier on, some of you may have smell aversions, so this may not work too well if you have that. The second brand that I purchased is another household famous brand. It's none other than Clarins. It actually came in this very pretty little box that has a lot of different products in there. It also comes with this little very cute kind of thing. It's like a rabbit. The star products from Clarins are these 3 items. For stretch marks, you only use the tonic treatment oil, which is meant for your body and for stretch marks. What I like about Clarins, it does give off a very soothing massage smell. It's similar to the bio oil, but it does come with some smell. So if you do have smell aversions, not the right fit for you. Second thing that I like about it is that it is very rich in the oil in a way that it helps to lock in the moisture right after a shower. And how do you then further seal it in is that you actually use the body partner, which is cream based, to help seal in the oil and to avoid your skin from being too oily. This comes highly recommended as well. It is an exfoliating body scrub that helps to remove dead skins before even applying the body tonic or even the body partner. Just one thing that I don't like about it is the extremely high price point. So if you're willing to invest in something that's really rich and moisturizing, this should be the product that you can go for. The third product, it's the Pop Neutral. It's a new brand in town, homegrown brand by a founder who paired different types of oils on her own and used it on all 4 pregnancies of hers without having any stretch marks at all. So coming back to what I like and what I don't like about it, it gives a very natural feeling. When you pump it out and when you warm up the oil on your palm, there's actually no smell at all. So if you do have smell aversions during your pregnancy, this is a very perfect oil for you. The second thing that I like about this oil, when you use it even in the day and at night, it is sufficiently moisturizing that it's not too oily. This does comes off in a glass bottle, which essentially is more environmental friendly as compared to a plastic bottle. So to me, that's actually nothing not to love. So a very quick fun fact, the first 3 oils that I bought, all bought online. Online shopping is like the best thing ever. The fourth product is actually for the L'Occitane product. There's the oil-based. It is very interesting because instead of opening up a cap and pouring out and risking the oil from coming out too much, it functions as a pump. I get to just spray it on directly onto my skin and I don't have to risk any potential leakages through the jala of my fingers and just rub it onto my belly. So that's a major plus for me. And there is the cream base. For the 200 ml, I think it's very much worth it to be very generous on every other part of my body. I've used these combo during the day, so it's very rich, very nourishing, and it does not feel sticky on the skin. Price point wise for the L'Occitane products is even higher than the Clarins set as a whole. promote a fifth stretch mark product. It is the PS Knudsen Prickly Pear Seed Oil. This product is 100% pure organic pear seed oil. It's cold pressed and you can even use it on your hair to promote hair growth. It has helped in other skin problems such as eczema, stretch marks, or even scars. And it also depends on how well your skin receives the nutrient from the different types of oil. This is a pear seed oil. L'Occitane is almond oil. For the pop neutral, it has a mixture of sweet almond oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, and even argan oil. So it's a good blend of different things. For the Clarins, it's more of a hazelnut extract. So depending on how your skin receives the different nutrients from the different products, right, it may react very much differently. If I were to ever get pregnant again, I would definitely buy the Pop Neutral, for sure. Price point, no smell, because you never know what's going to happen in the next pregnancy, right? And it's nourishing enough to be used day and night. And my second one would definitely be a star product, which is going to be Clarins. Clarins' signature is in their stretch mark oil and cream. Top 2 recommendations: Pop Neutral and Clarins. If you like this video as much as I've enjoyed making this for you, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who may be expecting. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.